I blew my trading account last week. No cheating. But I'm still trading. Here is what saved me. Everything shared in this video is for educational purposes only. Now, here is what happened last week. I was trading on a high leverage trading account on another broker, and I was doing it well. And at some point, a sudden spike triggered a brutal margin call on my account. Now, the account was wiped out completely, zero balance. And I thought, okay, let me take a break. I went over my strategy, back tested everything, see what went wrong on that specific account, which of course was in my trade management. And then I saw Ultima's first time deposit promotion. And I thought maybe that's a window for me to get back into the game. And I started trading with them. And what I liked, the first thing that attracted me with Ultima Markets is that their margin call is set on 20%. Now, I wanted to use this broker for my small high-risk accounts based on my trade and risk management. And when I've seen that they use a 1 to 2,000 leverage, but with negative balance protection, that was attractive to me. They are not encouraging you, of course, reckless trading. They are giving you space to work your strategy without panicking. And even if you're an aggressive trader with your entries, that bonus credit in the initial deposit can literally save your setup. Now, the way that Ultima Markets work is it's automatic. There are no complicated rules. I didn't have to email the support or wait for days. I just deposited. I clicked claim now for the bonus and I received it. Now, the bonus credit showed up right into my account balance, clean, fast, and transparent. And the best thing, the terms are all there. No shady things or bait and switch. Now, before I deposit in Ultima Markets, I was researching on what I can trade on them. And you can actually trade a lot of the financial assets of any market, whether it's crypto, stocks, or Forex. And if you're a person that is trading professionally in volatile markets like me, like gold, crypto, or even trading news, that platform is actually really credible because they give you real-time data with regulated authorities and top-tier liquidity providers. Another thing that I love a lot that not many brokers give nowadays is that they work with both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, and bonus credit supports all strategies. Now, something important, the bonus credit that I got from them is trading margin only. It's not real cash and of course not withdrawable, but it helps you to build cash in the account with your trading that you can withdraw. And you can see they've been recognized best APAC CFD broker, best fund safety globally broker, best affiliates brokerage, most popular broker, best Forex trading platform in Asia, best CFD broker in Asia, fastest growing CFD in the whole Asia, best broker in Asia, and best multi-asset trading platform in Asia. And with Ultima Markets, it helps you protect against premature liquidations, which is not meant to promote over trading. Now, if you want to create an account for your high-risk trades based on your risk management, click the link down in the description, check the terms and conditions of Ultima Markets, and if you like them, just do one deposit, get your bonus, and see how it goes. Thank you so much for staying until the end. So if you're trading high-risk setups or even being margin called too early most of the times, this bonus might give you a second chance in the markets. Check out Ultima Markets and claim your bonus before you load up your next trade. Thank you so much, and also don't forget to click the like and subscribe button so you don't miss our next videos, and also comment any questions that you may have and we will answer them for you. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.